Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show y'all how I made my tortas with fajitas and everything else I like on it. So basically I did get my fajitas marinated already from Azteca supermarket, and this is probably my favorite queso fresco. So if you go to Azteca, get it. Here's a quick little video of my dad grilling out the fajitas, and he's just cutting it up a little bit just so it won't be a big old piece on the grill. And here I am just boiling my tomates and chile serranos so I can go ahead and make my sauce. And this is basically what your fajitas should look like. It's bomb. Trust me, they're bomb. We already have some beans made. So basically you just add oil onto the pan, let it get hot, and then go ahead and add the beans. And if you don't know how to make refried beans, go ahead and let me know and I can make a video on that like later on. Here I am just smushing my beans until my liking. You don't have to smush them all the way. I like mine pretty smushed, like where there's part of the refried bean on there but also like watery. And here I am just squishing the garlic. And that's what it should basically start to look like. Okay, here I did start to add salt. That's to your liking. And then here I am just mushing the chile serranos. I don't know if you noticed, but I did have 3 chile serranos, but I ended up just doing 2. And here I am smushing my tomato. And it should look like that. And we're just going to do the same thing for the other 2 tomatoes. Also, I did add a little bit water so it could be more watery. Now we're gonna start cutting up our pan. We also did get this from Azteca. You're just gonna cut it in half. And you're just gonna do the same for the other breads. Okay, so go ahead and add some butter onto your pan, comal or whatever. And then add your bread. You leave it on there as long as you want, like however toasted you want your bread. And you're just gonna flip it over and have it toasted the way you want it also. Once you get it to your liking, you can go ahead and start to prepare your torta. So what I like to do is I like to add my beans. I'll smear it on there. And then I'm going to add my crema. You're gonna notice I add a lot of crema. I freaking love crema mexicana, so don't judge me. So once you get that down, go ahead and put in your queso fresco. I did cut mine into like big slices. Now I added my avocado. I also love avocado. Now this is the fun part where you just start adding as much meat as you want. And my favorite part is adding the sauce. I love spicy foods. I don't know if you could tell from my channel, but I love spicy food. And that's basically what your torta should look like. I know it's huge. Go ahead and cut it up in half and just enjoy it. Love it. It's so freaking good.